In this video, we are going to show you step-by-step how to set up the Loox review app on your Shopify store. This is one of the best product review app on Shopify, and I will show you how to make full use of this app. Let's get started. The first step is to install the Loox review app on your Shopify store. You can directly install the app using the first link down below in the description. Or you can simply go to this search bar and search for Loox. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the Shopify App Store. From here, you can install this app on your store. Once the app is installed, you need to select a plan that you want to continue with. You can choose any of these plans based on your requirement. The beginner plan will give you all the necessary features, but to make full use of this app, I recommend going with the scale plan. You can also claim a 7-day or a 14-day trial on your plan. Simply click on this Start Free Trial button, which will take you to the Payments page. Here, you need to enter your payment details and then click on this Approve button.
A few minutes later.
Once you do this, you'll see a welcome message like this. To set up this app, click on this Continue button. Next, you need to select your store language. Next, you need to choose the brand color of your store. For now, I will go ahead with the light blue color. I will also change the icon color from here. Next, we have the review widget layout here. I personally like the first layout, so I will keep it this way, and then I will click on the Continue button. Next, we need to select a time period for a review request. I will set it to 7 days after the fulfillment. Loox will send a review request to our customers after 7 days of the fulfillment. We can also offer discounts in return for submitting a photo or video review. You can offer a 10 to 20% discount based on your profit margins. And you can even uncheck this option if you don't want to offer a discount. For now, I will set the discount to 10% and then confirm. Next, we can also set up a referral program here. Simply click on this Continue button, and then make sure that these two options are enabled here. This is a post-purchase referral widget, which will allow your customers to refer the product to their friends or family members. Study shows that customers acquired through referral have a 36% higher retention, so it's a great way to get some extra sales. Next, we have the on-site referral widget. This is another cool widget, but I like to keep it off since it's not very effective anyway. Next, we can set the referral discount and rewards here. Right now, if a person refers a product to their friend, that friend will get a 10% discount on their first order. And the person who referred him will get a $10 bonus to spend on their next purchase. You can also set a minimum order amount here, based on your product pricings and profit margins. And then click on this Continue button. Next, we need to enable Loox into our Shopify theme. To do that, click on this Enable Loox button, which will take you to the Shopify editor. Here, you need to make sure that this option on the left is enabled, and then hit the Save button. Next, we'll go back to our dashboard and click on the Continue button. Next, we need to add the product review widget to our store's product page. So, click on this button, which will again take you to the Shopify editor. This is the default product page of our store, and as you can see, the product review widget is already added here. You will also see these product reviews here, which are just some samples. You'll also see some editing options on the left, where you can manage things like number of reviews and the maximum width. Now let's go back to our dashboard and continue the setup even further. The next step is to add a star rating on our product page, so click on this Add Rating button. This will add a star rating to our store product page. Next, we only need to reposition it right below the product title. And now it is looking much better. Make sure to save all your changes before you close this window. And with this step, the Loox app setup is finally complete. Now, your store is ready to collect product reviews from your customers. Next, I will click on this Enter Admin button, which will take me to the Loox dashboard. Also make sure to pin this app on the left so that you can easily access it whenever you want to. Alright, this is the Loox dashboard. You'll see all of your store reviews on the Review section. Next, we have the Referral section, where you'll see the referral details and how much money it made you. We also have the Upsell option here, which I will show you how to use in a moment. Next, we also have Loox Academy here. When you click on it, it will take you to the Loox Academy. where you'll get more in-depth guide on how to make full use of this app. On the bottom left, we have this Help Center, which contains all the FAQs that you might need during the setup process. To manage your product reviews, click on this Manage Review button. As you can see, we don't have any product reviews at this moment. If you already have some customers, you can send them a manual review request. You can also import product reviews from other platforms by clicking on this Import button. You can import some product reviews from AliExpress. If you are using a different product review apps, then you can use the second option to import the reviews. Or you can even import reviews using a simple Google spreadsheet as well. Simply click on this Upload button and then upload your file to add your reviews. Alright, now I want to show you some of the most important settings of this app. If you go to this review widget here, you'll see a lot of different options here. You can add all these different types of review widgets on your store, which will help you increase your store sales and conversion. For now, I will show you a few of these widgets setup processes. Let's say that I want to add this pop-up widget. I can activate it using this Activate button, and then I can also customize it from here. I can change the pop-up position, the corner radius, and the ratings to display. I can also enable or disable it on specific pages if I want to. For now, I will disable it on the cart page. Next, I also want to add this snippet widget to my store. So, I will simply click on this Add to Theme button, which will take me to the Shopify editor. And the Snippets widget will automatically add it to this page. And when you click on it, you'll see all the customization options on the left side. From here, you can control the general settings, such as the alignments, width, and color schemes. There are many other settings available here which will help you further customize this widget. Lastly, I want to reposition the widget, so I will simply drag and drop it right below the Buy Now button. And then I will save all the changes made so far. There are many other widgets available here, so feel free to use them in your store and see which one fits with your store. Next, we have the Collect Review option here. These are some very important settings, which will help us manage all the new reviews of our store. First up, we have the Manage Review option. Here, you can decide if you want to auto-publish new reviews. For now, I only want to auto-publish the 5-star reviews, so I've selected that option. Next, if you want to get the review notification, simply enter the email here, and then it will send you a notification whenever someone leaves a review on your site. Next, we have Review Request Timing. We already set it to 7 days during the setup process, but if you want, you can enable this option and then set different time for domestic and international orders. Next, we have Discount for photo and video reviews. If you remember correctly, we've already set a 10% discount for this part. Next, we have the Custom Questions option. Here, you can ask some custom questions from your customers when they'll give the review. This will allow you to gather more data about your customers. But for now, I am not going to add anything here. Let's move to the email settings. Here, you'll find different email options. These are some pre-made emails which will be sent to your customers, requesting for the product review. You can even select any of these emails and then customize it as per your need. I personally don't like to make changes in this, as these emails are perfectly crafted and works perfectly fine. Alright, our Loox review setup is finally complete now. And our store is ready to collect reviews from the customers. Before I show you how it actually works, let's have a look at some other features of the Loox review app. First up, we have the referral feature here, which will turn your loyal customers into your brand advocate. If you go to the referrals option on the left, you'll see some advanced options. First of all, there is a two-sided incentive, or a one-sided incentive option here. In my experience, the two-sided incentive works better, but it's important to set this with caution. We had already set it during the setup process, but make sure to keep your product pricing and the profits in mind when you set up the referral feature. Next, we have the referral widget option. Here, you'll see the on-site referral and the post-purchase referral widget. I personally like to turn this off as it is not as effective as the post-purchase widget. Lastly, we have the referral settings here. Here, you'll see all the important settings which will prevent any fraudulent activity in your store. Make sure to enable all 4 options here. Next, we have the social media image. Here, you can add your own social media image if you want to. But for now, I will keep it as it is. Lastly, we have the referral emails here. Just like we have the pre-made emails for reviews, we also have different emails for referrals. You can go through these emails and customize it if you want to, but I personally like these emails, so I won't make changes to it. We can also preview the sample emails by clicking on this View Sample button. Alright, that's everything about the referral feature of Loox app. Loox also have an upsell feature, which can be really helpful to boost the order value per customer. To set up the upsells, you only need to go to Upsell option on the left. Here, just keep clicking on the Continue button until you reach this page. Here, click on this Select Loox button, which will take you to the Shopify's checkout settings. Here, in the post-purchase page, you need to select Loox Reviews app option and then save the changes. And just like this, the Smart Upsell on your store is active. Next, to edit this upsell, click on this pencil icon. Here, I will reduce the discount amount to 15%, but make sure to set it based on your product prices and profit margins. There are other settings here as well, so feel free to check them before you save the changes. For example, I will enable this quantity selector. Next, let's say that I want to exclude some products from this upsell. So I will click on this Exclude Products option and then select the products that I want to exclude and then confirm. And then I will click on this Set Live button. And just like this, our upsell setup is complete. You can also add more upsell offer by clicking here. Let's say that I want this upsell to trigger on a few products. To do that, I will select the second option and then select some products as the upsell trigger. Next, we have the post-purchase upsell option where we can select some specific products as the upsell. I will then reduce the discount amount to 15%, and then I will enable the quantity selector and countdown timer as well. I will set the countdown timer to 2 minutes, and then I will enable this option as well. And then I will click on this Set Live button. And just like this, we've added our second upsell here. Last but not least, we have the general settings here. Here you can add things like your logo, brand colors, etc. I will also hide the Loox branding from my store. Next, we have the email appearances. You can change this banner, which will then be visible to every email sent via Loox to your customers. This is basically everything you need to learn about Loox Review app. Now, before we end this video, I want to show you how the product review feature actually going to work on your store. So I will simply click on this little eye icon to open my store. This is the store where I've set up the Loox Review app. To check if the product review feature is working or not, we need to go to the product page. So I will simply click on this product, which will take us to the product page. Here, if I scroll down, you'll see this option. Since this is a brand new Shopify store, there are no reviews yet. So I will click on this Write a Review option. Here, I will give this product a 5-star rating. Next, it is asking me to add a photo in return for a 10% discount on future orders. For now, I will simply upload a photo as sample. Next, I can add my review about the product here. And last but not least, I need to enter my personal details like name and email. And once I hit Done, you can see that I've automatically got a 10% discount coupon, which can be used on any future purchase. And when I clicked on the Continue button, it took me back to the product page. Here, you can see that the review is already added here. And if you scroll up a little, you'll see this star rating widget is also visible here, not to mention the review snippet, which is also visible now. And if I go to any other product page, you'll see that the reviews are not showing here. And if I return back to the same product again and scroll down, you'll see the pop-up widget as well. Alright, until this point, everything seems to be working fine. Now let's check if the other features like the discount coupon and the upsells are working or not. To do that, I will simply click on this Buy Now button, which will take me to the checkout page. Here, you can see that the 10% coupon is already applied to my order. Here, I will quickly enter my payment details and confirm. As you can see, this has taken me to the upsell page, which we set earlier with Loox Upsell. You can see the discount here and then the countdown timer as well. Now, if the customer will be interested in the product, they can simply click on this Pay Now button. And then they'll be taken to this thank you page. You see, due to the upsell, the store has got an extra sale. That's how upsells helps you get more sales and revenue. So this is basically everything about the Loox product review app. If you haven't started yet, make sure to sign up for Loox using the first link, which is given in the video description. That is an affiliate link, which will provide you the latest offers and discounts that are currently going on Loox app. And if you need any sort of help with your Shopify store setup, feel free to contact us using the second link given in the video description. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.